In this video, I'm going to show you the 11 most amazing places on the island of Bali. I'll take you on a trip all around the island and show you exactly where the best places are located on a map. I started my trip around Bali in Canggu, which is a very crowded area with motorbikes and exhaust everywhere. I was on my way up to the first stop on my list, the Ubud Monkey Forest. The Ubud Monkey Forest is a big forest with wild monkeys. If you go there, you are guaranteed to see hundreds of monkeys since they all live in this specific forest.
Here in the monkey forest in Ubud, you gotta watch out for your stuff because the monkeys love to take it out of your pockets or even your hands.
If you go to the monkey forest on a scooter, it will take you at least 1 hour to get there from the airport in Denpasar. There is a lot of traffic to get up there, but the further north you get on the island, the less traffic you will have. This monkey tried to steal my camera. The next stop on my list was the Ubud rice fields, which is a famous location not only for the rice fields, but also for the I Love Bali signs. The rice fields are famous for the layouts that look like terraces. It's a traditional Balinese irrigation system known as subak. The main food is called nasi goreng and mee goreng. Next stop was Mount Batur, which is an active volcano located in the middle of Bali.
What an amazing day, everybody! I just found a place to stay here and I have a pretty nice view.
Hotel rooms in the Mount Batur area will cost you about 200,000 rupia, which is $14 US. Next to the volcano you have the Danau Batur Lake, which is a crater lake. The next morning I woke up at 3:40 AM to do a sunrise hike at Mount Batur.
The sun is starting to come up, so I gotta hurry up.
They say that you are required to have a guide on the way up to the volcano, and you will have to pay about 400,000 rupia for it. Everyone in the area will try to sell you a ticket the day before. The hike up the 1700 meter volcano takes about 2 hours. You can take a different way back down on the other side.
Here on top of the volcano, it's really cold. Lost all the people. I went too fast, I guess. Now I can't find them. View is actually pretty good.
I got down from the volcano, got some cash, and filled up my scooter. Now I was on my way to the biggest, best, and most famous waterfall in all of Bali, called Sekumpul Waterfall. There are many waterfalls in this region, and just a 5-minute hike from the Sekumpul Waterfall, there are many other waterfalls. Just below the very north part of Bali Island, you will find most of all the amazing waterfalls. There are hundreds of waterfalls in Bali.
On my way back from the waterfall, now I gotta find somewhere to live before it gets too dark.
I have the most famous dish called mee goreng that consists of noodles, chicken and veggies. I kept driving to the next place and happened to drive by a road called the Monkey Road, where you will see monkeys everywhere on the side of the road. Now I was on my way to Buyan Lake, which looks like a paradise. After this I got to a ghost house late at night down in the valley.
Good evening everybody, I'm here at some place and I'm trying to get a room.
This place was haunted and I turned into a ghost before I got my room for the night. ghost house early in the morning and started driving to the next amazing waterfall. The nature in the north part of Bali is by far the best. It's really green and you won't see nearly as many motorbikes in this area. Now this was the Munduk Waterfall. In this area you will see many different waterfalls. Most of the waterfalls up in the northern part of Bali are located close to each other. Now I was going to number 7 on my list, Banyumala Waterfall.
I really love Bali actually.
This area is a truly amazing area of Bali, and not a lot of people go up north to see all the waterfalls. Most people stay down in the areas where there are way too many scooters and cars. It was really amazing to see all these places, and once again it made me believe that all of this is not just here by accident. Something supernatural had something to do with the creation and evolution of this planet. Now I was going to number 8 on my list, the famous Balinese Gates.
Just made a reservation here at this room or at this hotel, and just got a welcome drink, but there's not many people here. I haven't seen a single person yet. We're getting a ride in the golf cart.
Before I started heading to the next place, I stopped at a really nice resort, and the best part of it is that I only paid $35 for one night. Life is cheap in Bali.
That was a pretty nice shower. Alright, I'm about to head out.
I had a nice night at the resort, but was now heading up to number 9, the Git Git Waterfall.
I just made it to the next waterfall.
Before you get to the Git Git Waterfall, there's a really cool platform that you can do some diving from and swim around in the super clear water. Now I started driving all the way to the west part of the island along the coast. Most of the water along the coast was brown.
I've been driving along the north coast here for more than 100 kilometers.
As you can see, the water is brown. But it gets better the closer you get to the west part. I got a room for the night, but went out to explore the area. In the background you can see number 10 on my list, Menjangan Island. The next morning I woke up early to get out on a snorkeling trip to Menjangan Island, which is a small island located just a 25-minute boat ride from the mainland of Bali. It is known for having cool snorkeling and a bunch of cool caves that you can swim in through. You will see many different colorful fish and coral reefs, and also clownfish. Menjangan Island has many deers on it. The word Menjangan means deer in Indonesian. I started driving down south, and the southwest part of Bali also has brown water, which explains why there are no resorts there. But number 11 on my list, Uluwatu, has really clear water and is also one of the best places in the world to go surfing. please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this episode. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.